Next, we're going to look at unsafe deserialization. If the application unloads its status and then loads it back with changed data inside, then unsafe deserialization may occur. What does it mean? Please check out the example on the right. We looked through the list of files in a certain folder and found a file generated by the exploit. This was done as an example. In real life, no files will be generated. Rather, the attacker will immediately gain control of the server. But this example demonstrates the actions that could be performed. The problem may also occur when an object is serialized by one service and deserialized by another. That is, if you are placing too much trust in certain microservices, then you should stop, since deserialization is a rather dangerous problem. What are the risks? The risks are associated with gaining control of the server and, as a result, taking action using the company or client access. This is DOS, loss of money and profit, reputational harm, a real threat of having problems with the regulator, direct manipulation of the site content, and the critical leakage of technical data. To avoid the problem of deserialization, do not trust any data external to the application. This includes data from the client, data from the database, API responses, and data from file servers, as well as meta information about files and file contents as well. We recommend you not to use serialization at all. If this is not possible, then use serializers that do not store information about the object types. Do not support magic functions during the deserialization, and those serializers that strictly control the expected types in the deserialized object. Here is an example of how an attack would work. Check the current files in the directory and run the script that will generate the attack. Next, we send the data via the parameters in the application. Next, we get a message from API and check that a malicious file has been created. You can try to reproduce the previous example by clicking on the link in the presentation, and we also recommend using SAST scanners to search for such errors.